Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today we're looking at the Vicseed iPhone 14 Pro Max case. I love the way it's packaged. I love the way they do everything. They got a little card that comes with it. Let's get that all out of the way. Let's take a look at this one here. And this color is a purple color here, as you can see. So it's all quality made, crystal clear, like, look at this, like glass. Really cool. And that is like super clear. So fantastic. It's Magsafe, of course. It does have a built-in stand. This is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, as you can see here. It is a high quality case. I do love the way it's made. It's definitely super strong. Again, Magsafe. For charging, snapping, it's got the super magnets right here. It's got a fantastic magnet. It's really strong. It also comes in black as well. So let me just show you the black one real quick. Just pull it out of the box here, and I'll show you what the black one looks like. Exact same case with all the features and benefits, but it's black and it's clear as glass, as you can see here. You can actually see the logo right through the case. Look at that. That is amazing. Same technology. It's got the same stand, and this is all black versus the other color. I absolutely love this color. Black is very well. It looks really good as well, and you can see it is crystal clear. You can just see right through it. I'll show you one more time how clear that is. It looks like it's nothing there, but believe me, that is super duper strong, and I actually like this color a lot as well. You can drop this over 6,000 times and basically it's resistant. It's unbelievable how strong these cases are today. They make them polycarbonate sides, as you can see, so they're super strong. All the buttons and everything fits perfectly, and it's a really nice looking sharp case. I get it snapped in the bottom. That's how I find it. Yeah, you get on the bottom and you just ride them up, and it's basically all you have to do. So that's easy. And I like the way it fits. Really fits really nice all around the case, as you can see here. It's got the notch here, the dynamic island. It fits right here. So you can see it gives you a little extra notch space, which is nice. All the buttons actually fit really nicely. You can actually access all the buttons here, the mute button, very easily. And the back fits beautifully. You can see here the bump is just enough to cover the lens. And I love this color. So what's cool about it is that you can see your Apple logo, right? So that's the reason why you're buying this kind of case. You want to show off your phone. It's crystal clear, super duper sharp, and I love that. So here is the magic right here. So anywhere, anytime, any place, here is an actual stand. So it's metal here, and you can actually put it any location you want, any position, and it's going to stay there. And I like that. So you can have any angle that you want, or if you want to stand up straight, you basically just put it straight down, and you got it standing up straight just like that there. So I love the way this is made. I love the quality of this item. This is a high quality item. This is not a junky, cheap case, okay? So also you can adjust this between 40 and 120%. That's what's cool about it. And it won't break. This has been tested in the lab 5,000 times. So you can use this for a really long time and you should have no issues whatsoever. Guys, have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed these type of videos. Let me know down below if you have this case and how it works for you. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to wrap this up. Again, this is a really nice, well-made case. You can see this glass. It's like glass. It's like diamond glass. This back is super clear. I absolutely love it. And it really works well, and it's going to hold up for a long time.